Welcome to St. Michael Academy Betia's e-learning class of English class 4. So today we are going to do question answer of chapter 4, the trumpet of the swan. So first we will do the question answer. Question number 1, what she finally saw surprised her. A. What did she see and why was she surprised? Answer. The swan saw a small boy sitting on a log near her nest. The boy was observing them quietly. She was surprised because she could not understand how the boy had reached the place so deep inside the jungle where there were no roads. Question number 1b. What did she do immediately after this? Answer. The swan pointed out to the cob that the boy was observing them. Question number 2. The swan decided she could leave the egg for a few minutes. A. Why did the swan think so? Was she right? Answer. The swan had been sitting on her eggs for many weeks, warming them. One warm afternoon, she felt thirsty as a cob was gliding near the nest and keeping a watch on the nest. The swan felt it would be safe to leave the eggs for a while. No, the swan was wrong. 2b. What did she do immediately after this? Answer. The swan covered the eggs with some loose feathers to keep the eggs warm and hidden. Then she felt the nest and stepped into the pond. She quickly drank some water. She also pulled up some greens from the bottom of the pond to eat. Finally, she got out and stepped on the grassy bank. She started cleaning her feathers there. Question number 3. You are in grave danger. Who said this to whom? What was the danger? Answer. The cob said this to the swan. The fox was creeping towards the swan as she stood on the greasy bank cleaning her feathers. Question number 3b. How did the speaker act? What do we get to know about the speaker from this? Answer. The cob warned the swan about the fox. He, however, did not do anything to try and save the swan. The cob actually was a timid bird. Question number 4. The swans now realized that the boy was their friend. A. What had they thought of the boy previously? Answer. The swan was very surprised to see the boy inside the forest and disturbed to notice him observing them. The cob had thought that the boy may try to harm them. B. What made them change their opinion? Answer. When the fox started creeping towards the swan, the cob watched helplessly. All of a sudden, a stick flew through the air, hitting the fox on the nose, forcing him to turn away. When Sam stepped out of the bushes, the birds realized that he had thrown the stick to save the swan. He was their friend and was not going to harm them. Now we will do the bookwork of this chapter. Understanding the text. Choose the correct answers to complete these sentences. Question number 1. The cow was furious because he, option A, did not want to be watched by a human deep inside a jungle. Question number 2. The swan asked the cob not to fight with the boy because, correct answer B, the boy was sitting quietly and had not attacked them. Question number 3. The boy was sitting quietly on the log because he, correct answer will be B, was filled with wonder at the sight of these rare birds and did not want to disturb or frighten them. Question number 4. The swan did not want to leave her nest because she, correct answer will be A, was afraid that enemies would attack her nest and steal her eggs. Question number 5. The cock swam over to the place where Sam was sitting in order to, correct answer will be option A, show that he was grateful for Sam's help. Words in use. The words you need to use in these sentences are all movement words from the text. Use the hints to complete the words without looking at the text. Each blank stands for a missing letter. For example, the children did not want to enter the jungle. They had heard that a tiger was dash. Move quietly around an area to hunt in the bushes. So the answer will be prowling. Question number B. Write the auxiliary verbs in the bracket in the correct places in this sentence. So what we have to do, we have to write the auxiliary verbs. Like in question number 1A, we working on this project together now. Bracket B. Verb is given, we have to change into auxiliary verb. So we have changed, we are working on this project together now. All of it's done for you. Match the sentence parts to complete these sentences. Then identify whether the verb be is used as a main verb or the auxiliary verb. First, what we have to do, we have to match column A with the column B. Then after that, we have to find whether the verb is an auxiliary verb or the main verb. Then we have to mention there that it is a main verb or the auxiliary verb. Like first one, Mr. Grish is B, a teacher in our school. So is the main verb here. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now word meaning. So what you have to do, we have already discussed the word meaning in the earlier video. So what you have to do, you have to write down in your copy and you have to learn all the word meanings of this chapter. Now it's time for homework. What you have to do, you have to write all the question answer in your copy and learn it. Second, what you have to do, you have to write all the word meaning in your copy and learn it. Third, I have already given the bookwork answers in this video. What you have to do, you have to write all the answers of the bookwork in your book. I hope you understand the question answer of this chapter. Thank you.